All right, here is a Hoover convertible model U4173-001. I'm not sure what year this is from, but I'm guessing sometime in the early 80s, mid 80s. It's very similar to the blue one that I have. But anyways, we're gonna run a quick test, see what y'all think. We have this, I think we're gonna set this to low, because this is a low pile area rug. Doesn't look like it wants to set, but we'll get it to it. Whoa, 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 whoa! That is nice. Nice. Set on high, this thing does a nice job grooming the carpet. And so I guess I'm impressed, and it got most of the dirt up. So there you go, folks.